United Arab Emirates, one of the world's fastest developing states, and one where man, technology, and nature have coexisted in harmony for thousands of years. The United Arab Emirates lies on the edge of one of the world's great deserts, the empty quarter of Arabia. For man to survive here, he's always had to learn how to live with nature. Today, modern technology makes it all seem easy. But in the past, it was a very different story. The earliest record of man in the Emirates goes back for more than 7,000 years. Over 5,000 years ago, copper was being mined in the mountains for export to Mesopotamia. The wealth was used in the building of monuments, like the massive collective graves of Alain and al-Nar. The sea has long been a source of food and of livelihood, and the UAE sailors were among the first to learn how to cross the expanse of the Indian Ocean using wooden-built dhows. Maritime trade remains a key feature of the Emirates in the year 2000. The main focus of the people has always been on the land itself. Thanks to the wise development program of the last few decades, though, the land itself is now changing. Where there were once rolling sand dunes, there are now great plantations of trees and fields of crops. Over 120 million trees have been planted in the last 30 years, and tens of thousands of hectares of land have been brought under the plow. harnessing new technologies, man is taming the harshness of nature. In wildlife reserves all over the country, like this one on the island of Surbaniyas, rare and endangered animals are being successfully bred and prepared for release back into the wild. Bonding together in the hunt, a falconer and his falcon show the way in which coexistence between man and wildlife is not only possible, it can be a successful partnership too. The heritage of the past is an integral part of the Emirates today. The evidence of the progress being made by the United Arab Emirates is there in every sphere of life. The country is at the same time, however, one where the very latest technological achievements are utilized to provide the best possible life for the people. Healthcare, education, communications, housing, industry. In all fields, the impact of the modern world is immediately visible, playing an essential part in the development of the state. The underlying objective of the UAE's development program, devised by the country's president, His Highness Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, is to ensure that the country's young people are provided with the best possible opportunities in life. Now and in the years to come. Naturally, that all starts at the beginning, in school. With a good education behind them and equipped with modern skills, the new generation are well placed to be able to tackle the challenges ahead as bankers and businessmen, engineers and teachers, sportsmen and administrators. The United Arab Emirates today is a blend of old and new, a land where ancient traditions survive and thrive in the midst of modern development, where technology permits man and nature to live together in harmony, and where a young nation draws upon the heritage of the past and the best of today's innovations to move forward confidently into the future.